Folks, look at SharperTrades. The market remains stable above the ATMA and the SPY 570. Today, primarily helped by the large caps. Apple moved up, Google moved up, so this is what the market is holding nicely. And looking for next resistance retest, all-time high. We are into uncharted territory, 579, 586, possibly 590. BBY breakout a few weeks ago following earnings has been consolidating with the support at 95. Back above the ATMA today popped 100 and is now testing this recent high 103.71. I'm watching for a breakout to the level. The technicals are bullish. 107, 112, 117 are the targets. ATMA and 97 are the support. CART is a company I like, invested. Continues to show bullish energy after an acceleration to hit the target at 41 and went as high as 42.58, near the all-time high, the IPO high. If you take a look, that was right here, right there. It's 42.95. So almost touched that, and I pulled back. And anyway, so I'm expecting a resistance at that level. So we call it 43 for simplicity. Targets 45. If it breaks through 43 and holds 45, 47, 50. Support ATMA and then 38.70. HIMS waking up also after a drop down to the 200 simple moving average, consolidated, popped to the 50 SMA a couple of days ago. Now looks like it's on a recovery mission, at least some sort of it. And 20, 23, 26 are the targets, support 50 SMA. Let's see if he makes it. TDOC waking up. This is something worth watching. Earnings are positive. We saw the volume a couple of weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Pullback retest the 8 breakout point. And now I'm watching for a takeout. This is a center trend line and 10 price level. Targets 1160, 13, and 15. Very volatile, so it could provide a good move if he takes out 10. Support is the ATMA and 8. These are here, 830. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.